Alright, so this is the method that we'll be using for the construction. So here you're going to see me start to draw the baseline there, and then I'm going to draw my 30-degree angles as well as the 90-degree angle using my protractor. Alright, so I'm going to measure one side on my compass for the square, that's 40 mm. And you see now I'm going to mark it off on the 30-degree angle, right, on all two sides. So I'm marking off the 40 mm there. And now using the same 40 mm, I'm marking it off on the 90-degree angle there, right? You see that I mark it off on all two sides, so it intersects there at one point on the 90-degree angle. And then I can just connect it to complete my isometric square, right? So now I'm going to measure the height or the length of the prism, and it's there in the method, so I'm going to mark it off on the 90-degree line there. So here I'm going to set my set square parallel to that one side there, and then using the set square and the ruler, I'm going to slide it to the height there that I just marked off, right? So here you can see how my set square and ruler is set, and now I'm going to slide the set square to the height there, and then I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to repeat the same step on this other side here where I set the set square and the ruler. and I'm going to slide that side there up to the mark that I had there with the compass, right? The height or the length. And then I'm going to draw my line. Alright, so here you can see me setting my set square parallel to the 90-degree angle. Alright, and then I'm going to put my ruler at the top so that I can slide that 90-degree angle, right? You see how my set square ruler is set? So now I'm going to slide that 90-degree angle to the left hand side, right? Where the one end of the square is, right? Right, so you can see me sliding to that end of the square, and I'm going to draw a line to touch the other line upwards there. And this is going to be repeated for the other side there of the square, right? Alright, so now I'm going to set my set square parallel to that side, as you can see shown there, and using the set square and the ruler, I'm going to slide it to the other side there of the square, right? And then I'm going to draw my line. So the aim here, or the idea here, is to have the same isometric square at the top, right? The same one that you have at the bottom, you want it at the top as well. So here you're going to see me sliding the other side to the other end of the square there, alright? And there I'm going to complete the isometric square, right? So that's basically your rectangular prism there completed. The only thing that is left to do is to deepen the shape of the rectangular prism, right? Which you see me doing here. Alright, so now that you've deepened all the sides of the rectangular prism, you can see everything more clearly now, right? And that is how your rectangular prism should look, right? That's what it should look like.